Hey everybody, welcome to week 5. Kind of as a recap to week 4, I hope that you did enjoy the reading on interdisciplinarity. I know that it was a little bit longer than your other readings, but it's really my favorite reading of all of them. I hope that you have a better idea of what it means to have an interdisciplinary studies degree. You'll find that as you enter the workforce that people are very protective of, feel very passionate about their specific viewpoints. A lot of times those are discipline specific. And so I think it's very valuable that you're able to come at a problem from multiple angles, and hopefully you're able to think outside the box a little bit more and maybe come up with multiple solutions to a problem just in different ways. I also think that it helps you to be a little bit more empathetic to others, just having a better idea than most people do that a problem can be looked at from multiple viewpoints. So that reading guide, of course, was your last reading guide of the semester. As well, in week 4, you had your revised project proposal, and I know that some of you were looking at making tweaks to that, or a couple of you changed yours altogether. I'll be looking through those pretty quickly. I might have some feedback for you. If I do, that may come in the form of email, or I may respond to you in iLearn. So just be looking for that if you think that if your project has changed and you think that there may be something there that I would comment on. Once you have heard from me and once you're graded on that revised project plan becomes what you're graded on really for the rest of the semester. So in the end, I'm looking at how well you executed your plan. So I take that revised project proposal pretty literally, and I expect to see the things that you said you were going to submit in that plan submitted as project artifacts. I also expect to see those in the presentation at the end. So here in week 5, we kind of shift gears a little bit, and the bulk of the time should be spent working on your project. This is kind of how it goes for a large chunk of the course. From now until week 13, you're able to submit your hours every single week. Again, you probably want to have those finished up close to week 11, although you can go past that and turn hours in week 13. And the reason being that in week 11 you have your practice presentation. So it's good to be well established and have something to present on by that point. In week 6, I'm going to be sending out another instructor sign-up sheet. So that's next week. You'll sign up for your second of 2 total meetings with me. So it'll be the final one, and you'll sign up for a time to meet with me in week 7, 8, or 9, maybe week 10 if we decide to extend that. But again, a sign-up sheet will be going out here in week 6. So I hope that you have an excellent week. If you have any questions for me, as usual, please reach out or via email, or you can respond below this announcement. You can hit reply and you can respond and ask any question that you might have. So take care, and we'll talk to you again soon.